Exceptional. I couldn't have been more happy with our stay at Hotel Duminy. The rooms were immaculate, the beds were comfy, the location couldn't be beat, and the staff couldn't have been any nicer. We can't wait to return. Good hotel. Best deal hotel. Well maintained, modern, chic hotel. Very good location, very good staffs, 3 minutes away from Tuileries metro station, no bed bugs and very clean bathroom. Walking to Vendome and other shops like Guayar, Balenciaga, Golden Goose, Gucci, LV and more stores. Great location. Great location. Very close to Vendome. Looks very new outfit of the hotel. Very good smell and lobby. One of the best budget hotel I ever stay in Paris. I would stay again next time. Amazing location, very nice. Perfect location, walking distance to all the main attractions, comfortable bed. Small room. Good breakfast buffet selection. Convenient, great location near the Louvre and Metro, great breakfast. Exceptional hotel, staff, food and location were fabulous. Great value and quality. Very nice staff and a well-appointed room. Location couldn't be better and the breakfast was delicious. I would recommend this place over the 4-star hotel I stayed in on the same street. Amazing hotel, would definitely stay again. I loved everything about this hotel. The lovely staff and perfect location. The staff were all so helpful and nice. Located within walking distance of loads of the key sites of Paris. Would totally recommend staying here. Great hotel. It was in a great location for shopping, restaurants, and seeing the landmarks of Paris. The staff were also very friendly and helpful with whatever we needed. Gorgeous boutique hotel, fantastic. We will stay at this hotel again. Convenient and pleasant. I slept well, quite calming feels about it. It's so near shopping Rue de Saint-Honoré in the Tuileries Garden, Metro and others. Great value for money cause of the service of staff and amenities that are basically decent and adequate. I love the breakfast area too, and the breakfast has healthy selection. Great place to base in Paris. The stay was grand, excellent location in Paris, very good central hub to explore. The Louvre and Notre Dame are easy walking and a good metro station is blocks away. The lift is Parisian tiny, and amusing. The breakfast is as good as many cafes and easy if you want a quick start to the day. The staff is multilingual and helpful. Very pleased I lucked on such a good spot for my first Parisian trip. The heart of Paris. What a beautiful place to stay. With caring staff, delightful food and atmosphere as well as a location that is at the heart of everything that Paris has to offer. Valentine's weekend, great location and super friendly staff. Quick trip, went to Paris for the day with the missus. Great staff, great location, great room. Got an updated one, we'll stay there again.